Hi, I'm Ollie from the Recovery Project, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the EasyStand Evolv. Now, we know there are many health benefits from standing and weight bearing, but for many individuals who have injuries or illnesses, that can come at a great challenge, and that's where the EasyStand comes in. So the EasyStand is a sit-to-stand frame, so a user can transfer into the device whilst in a seated position. All of the support options and accessories that might be required can be put in place while seated, and then you can go ahead and use the hydraulic lift actuator to bring the device into standing. So this particular model has a hydraulic lift, but if someone doesn't have the upper body strength or dexterity to use the handle, then there is a power-up option. So with an electronic handset, you can go from sit to stand. So, as I say, this particular one is a hydraulic lift. Now, it's a very natural movement, so the frame is designed so that the pivot points are at the knee and the hip. So as long as it's all been set up correctly, there shouldn't be any shear on the seat. And as you can see, it will come up into a full stand, and it can be stopped at any position if someone has a limited range of motion as well. And then to come back down into sit-in, you just pull the lift handle back and it will gradually lower back down into the seated position. So I'll run you through the frame and how it all works, and the different adjustments that can be made. So as standard now, they come with what they call the shadow tray, which is this tray which comes up into the chest area, so it does work as a bit of a chest support as well. They call it the shadow because it moves with the seat progressively throughout the stand, so as I say, you can get it all in position whilst in seated. So to lift this up out of the way, there's a pin underneath which you will see here, and that locks in position in the up position as well, so when you're transferring it, it's not going to fall down towards you. We can go ahead and remove the lateral supports. The shadow tray bar can be moved up out the way. The hip supports. Now, there are lots of different support options and accessories available for this standing frame, so they can be tailored to suit your individual needs. The knee blocks can be lifted up and out the way. And that leaves a lot of open space for a side transfer. This particular one has the transfer seat as well, so we've got this little bit of an extension at the front of the seat, so you can get a wheelchair in nice and close. You might not even need a transfer board for a side transfer. For people who might need a hoist transfer, you can do it with this arrangement, but there is also what they call a swing away front option, and that just allows you to remove this whole front section with the knee blocks out the way, and it just gives you a lot more room to work with for a hoist transfer as well. Okay. So we can put those back in place. So once the user's in the device, obviously you can bring your knee blocks back down. There's lots of adjustments on these. You can move them laterally and vertically. And then you've got a depth adjustment here, so you can bring the knee block forward and in contact with the middle of the knee. Then there's a depth adjustment on the tray as well, so we can go ahead and bring that down, and then you can slide the tray. There is a chest pad here, you can slide that back in towards the chest area as well to give a little bit more upper body support. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about the EasyStand, we do offer free demonstrations and assessments. Please contact us at therecoveryproject.co.uk.